A locked charge cable on your Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid can leave you stranded at the charging station. The vehicle uses an electronic locking pin to secure the connector during the charging process. If a power glitch or system error occurs, this pin may fail to retract automatically. You can bypass this electronic lock using a hidden manual release mechanism. Chrysler designed a mechanical backup specifically for this situation to prevent damage to the charging equipment. This manual release strap physically pulls the locking pin back into its housing. You should never try to forcefully pull the charging cable out by the handle. Using brute force will break the locking mechanism and lead to an expensive repair bill. To find the manual release strap, you need to access the inner area of the front driver's side fender. Open the hood and secure it with the prop rod to get a clear view of the area directly behind the charging port. Look down into the space between the outer fender and the engine bay structure. You are looking for a bright orange or yellow woven strap connected to the back of the charging port assembly. Sometimes this strap is tucked slightly under the wiring harness to keep it out of the way of moving parts. Use a flashlight to illuminate the area if you are having trouble spotting the brightly colored material. Reach down and take a firm grip on the loop of the manual release strap. Pull the strap straight back toward the rear of the vehicle with steady and even pressure. You will hear a distinct mechanical click as the locking pin disengages from the charge cable connector. Keep the strap pulled taut while you perform the next step. With the manual release strap fully extended, use your free hand to gently slide the charging cable out of the port. Once the cable is free, let go of the strap so it can return to its normal resting position. Check the charging port for any debris or physical damage that might have caused the pin to stick.